Here is how to open up a Sony model XBR-65X850D. We have 14 machine screws that are around the set, so we'll get started with those. All right, and we have 3 coarse thread over here. And finally, we have 4 more machine screws here, which I think are where you would put your wall mount if you were to install one. All right, so that's all the screws. But before we remove the back cover, we'll want to remove the power cable. So we'll remove here, and there's a little latch you can press down in the center and then wiggle it out. And then finally, from the bottom, we'll go ahead and lift it up. And it is still locked in at the top. We're going to want to move this back cover upwards to release it from the locking mechanism at the top. So I'll give it a couple hits. And as you just saw, I do actually have to use a little force because it's kind of locked in there. But that's it, and that's how you remove the back cover for the TV. If you want to check out how to remove the main board, we'll have a video in the top right. And to put the cover back on, same thing but backwards. So we're going to line up the indents over here with the screw holes. And we'll bring the cover down. And then this time slide it downwards. There we go. And then we'll go ahead and put the screws back in. So I'm going to start with the 3 coarse threads, then the 14 machine screws that go around. We're going to skip the power cable for now because we have to install it back in. So this time around we don't actually have to engage the clip, we can just slide it in. It clicks in. Put that back here. And then we can put the screw in. And lastly, we have the 4 larger screws that go where the wall mount would otherwise go. And there you go. If you found the video helpful or useful, leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.